Danielle. These are my two sons, Cooper and Byron. I'm a qualified chef and I work in aged care.
And I'm year 2.
And this is our home in Wellard, Western Australia. We also have a cat in the family.
Leia.
We've met the neighbours.
They're pretty nice because whenever we kick the football over, they always give it back.
And they wave, don't they? On the weekends, we just tend to hang out together, really, don't we? Because the week's pretty busy. We use the living room for everything, from eating to watching movies, folding washing, and family time. The house code is for me to help the boys develop good morals.
And when we're adults, like in the future.
Yeah. I think they just want a place that we can all hang out together. The frustrating things would be that it probably doesn't... Oh, yeah. When we are watching movies together and we want to be close, we don't fit on the lounge suite. I've got a big family and I like to have people over, and when everyone is here, it's difficult for everyone to have a seat. So you've got to sort of be smart with how you run things.
So when we first walked in, I was like, oh!
We absolutely loved it.
Awesome. Yes. Cool.
The space is extremely practical. It feels like there's actually more furniture in the room than what I had before. When we have guests, we've got the lounge, the day bed, the seat, plus stools. But the way it's been designed and installed gives the room a lot more space. So it allows for lots of people to be involved in the area. And definitely storage. Everything's got a place. It's all either underneath something or behind a cupboard door or in its particular box, and everyone knows where that goes. Being able to move the ottoman into the middle so they can recline and watch TV, that's their favourite position. I just don't want to go to bed at night because I enjoy being out here so much.